Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay. If this is your first time here, if you have been here and are subscribed to my channel, then welcome back and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I figured I would do an unboxing of my Boxycharm skincare box. Recently they had like a limited edition skincare box that they released that had all kinds of items just ranging in products but all skincare related, and I was super excited when they announced that, so of course I had to jump on it. So I figured I'd do an unboxing with you guys and show you guys what came in it and what I'm excited about and whatnot. So if you want to see that, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so the skincare box, like I said, it was a limited edition box. It wasn't like a monthly subscription service, but I believe you had to be like part of be on like their subscription list in order to get it. So the box was $50 and you got 8 different types of skincare products. And they previewed a few different items. They gave sneak peeks, and based on the sneak peeks, I was really excited to get it. The first thing that I got is actually these Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Masks. It came with 2 of them. And this was one of the items that was their sneak peek, and I was really excited because I've actually thought about purchasing these and I just haven't done it yet. So when I saw these, I was like, yes, I definitely want to get, like, that's definitely exciting. It's something I want to try out. And it came, like I said, with 2 different ones, so I'll get to try those out. And the reason that I've been thinking about getting these anyways is because they're supposed to be super hydrating, soothing on your skin, and they're like, I love sheet masks anyways. They're just so easy to use and I feel like they just give your skin so much. So I was super excited for these. The next item that was in the box was this product by Saturday Skin, and it's the Rubadub Refining Peel Gel. And I hadn't heard a lot about this product itself, but I have been wanting to try this brand, Saturday Skin. They have a few different products that I've seen on Sephora's website and in store, and I've thought about purchasing. So again, when I saw this, this was another preview. This one's supposed to be really good too because it's supposed to help with dullness and just get rid of a lot of impurities. So again, another product that I'm excited to try out. Next, I got the Farsali Jelly Beam Highlighter or Illuminator. This is one I've actually seen on like Instagram, all over Instagram. I saw it in Sephora. It's a jelly highlighter, and let me open it up so I can show you. I had seen this in the store before and I kind of like tested it out and it looked really cool. It comes in like a little container like this, and it's literally, I don't know if you can see that, but it's literally jelly. And I got mine in the shade Rose Goals. Let me swatch this for you. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just like a illuminating glow, and it just looks so pretty. I feel like it would look really natural if you're going for a more natural look for the day, for your makeup look. This would be one that would work really well for you. And what's cool is it's like the jelly formula when you apply it, but it says it like dries down to a powder, and even now on my skin, like, it doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out, and I'm excited to see how it'll look when I have like a makeup on and I'm going for a more natural look. Okay, so the next thing that I got in the box is this product, and it's by Elemis. It's the Elemis Superfood Night Cream. I haven't actually heard of this product before. I did try a moisturizer by Elemis that I got in a previous Boxycharm box, and I actually really enjoyed it. It was super hydrating. And with this, it's actually, that's part of what it's supposed to do too, is you add it to your nighttime routine. And it's supposed to give your skin a lot of hydration and just kind of be have more repairing qualities to it and give you like softer, smoother skin. So I'm excited to try this out too. I think I keep saying that about all these products, but I love trying out new skincare products, especially because I've been through a lot with my skin. I'd say about a year ago, my skin was probably at its worst point. I had a ton of breakouts along my chin and my jaw, all right here. And even still, I have scarring that I'm working on getting rid of. And my skin has gotten tremendously better. Like, it's ridiculous how much better it is compared to what it was literally about this time last year. So it's also because I've concentrated on it more. I've really spent the time to figure out what my skin needs and what products work well. So that's why I love trying out new products to see if there's anything that works better, or if there's just something new that I can add to my routine to just be another step that makes my skin look even better than it currently does. So, because it still has ways to go, but it definitely has made a huge improvement. So I'm definitely going to be adding this in and trying it out and seeing how that helps my skin out. Okay, so the next thing I got is this product by Glam Glow. It's the Glam Glow Super Serum. And I've used a couple products by Glam Glow before, and like I've used their mask, and their masks work incredibly well. They have like a mud mask that I feel like really like pulls out like any type of impurities or anything that's on your face. And this is supposed to help with exfoliating, plumping, and pore refining. It did mention it was good for like fine lines as well, so I'm hoping like I've noticed I'm getting like more fine lines right here under my eyes, as well as like my smile lines. So hopefully this will be something that'll help with that as well. And again, another product that you can just add into your routine, and you can switch out products and really see what works best for you. What I recommend when you're doing skincare, like for these products, for example, I'm not going to add them all in at one time. At least for me, my skin is really sensitive, so I have to try one product at a time. Try it out for a couple weeks, see how it goes, and then switch and try another one. Because if I try all of these, my skin is going to freak out. So if you have sensitive skin, that's something I recommend doing. Even if you don't have sensitive skin, it's better not to try it all out at once, because if you have a bad reaction to something, it's harder to figure out what it is. So all these products I'll be slowly trying out, but I'm excited to have so many different options and new products to try out and see if there's something, like I said, that's better than what I'm currently using. Another product we got is this right here. It's the Copart Coconut Cleansing Oil, and cleansing oils are really good to help remove your makeup. It really just breaks down your makeup before you wash your face. So you use a cleansing oil and then you use your face wash. So I have a few cleansing oils, but I don't have one that I love. Like, I have a few that work really well and are fine, but they're not like, oh my gosh, I notice a huge difference, or they're making a big difference to my skin. I keep trying out different ones. So hopefully this one will be something that I really like. Plus, I'm excited to try this one out because I've heard really good things about this brand in general. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, vegan. So I just have heard really good things about this brand overall. So I'm excited to try one of their products. I know a few people have tried a few different products by them and they've loved everything. So I have high hopes for this. Okay, one of the last products I got is this one here. It's by Caudalie. I don't know exactly how you say that, but it's grape water. And what it's supposed to do is you can spray it onto your skin, and it's supposed to be similar to a toner, but it's supposed to be super hydrating. I've never honestly looked into a product like this. So I have a toner that I absolutely love. It works out so great. So I'm gonna try this out because, I mean, you never know, it might be amazing. But I think it's an interesting concept. Like, you just kind of spray it on your face, and then it helps tone your skin, gives you that hydration, and it says it's good for sensitive skin too, so I'll definitely be trying this one out. Okay, and the last product that I got, I've actually been wanting one of these for a long time, and I just haven't purchased one, and it's a Jade Roller. And these are actually supposed to be really good for your skin. It's supposed to help, like, you can put it in like your fridge or your freezer before you use it, and it's supposed to help with like reduced puffiness. And if you're applying products like, for example, the Glam Glow Serum, you can apply it on your face and then roll this onto your face, and it just really helps the product. It like pushes it into your skin, and it kind of just puts it to another level, the product, which is awesome. And it also says that it helps with like fine lines and wrinkles, as well as dark circles. So you can just like roll it onto your face. I don't know exactly how it works. Honestly, I'm gonna have to like look into it, but it has this large end here, which you can use like over your face, right, like this. And then it has this little end too, which I'm assuming you can kind of get closer to your eye with like this smaller side. So I'm gonna this is a product guaranteed I'll be using quite a bit, and I'll probably be putting it in my fridge to keep it cold. I actually have a skincare fridge, which I put a lot of my sheet masks, and then now I'll keep this as well, so that way anytime I go to use it, it's cool and it'll just help with my skin. And like I said, I've been wanting one of these, but I've seen them like on Amazon, I've seen them a few different places, but I didn't know like which ones are good, which ones are bad, so I just didn't buy one. So I'm excited to try this one out. So that is everything that I got in the Boxycharm skincare box. I think it's really awesome that they had this like specialty type of box where it just focuses only on skincare products, because I feel like a lot of people forget about skincare. They love makeup, they love the way it looks and everything like that, but they forget to do a lot of this like products for your skin. They do moisturizer and face wash and that's it. And I've been guilty of that in the past, and I've only recently, I feel like because I had so many skin issues, started realizing like there's a lot of other products out there that do amazing things for your skin. So again, I think it's awesome that they created this box and we're able to send it out to you so you can try out a bunch of different products. And that's the thing too, is with skincare, you have to try it out because it's also individual. It's gonna be different for every single person, whereas an eyeshadow palette, like if it's a good quality, most people will like that eyeshadow palette, but that's not necessarily the case for skincare items. So I'm excited about this. Like I said too, it was $50 for the box, which I think is a great deal because all of these products all together retail for $268. So I got a good deal, and like I said, it's products that I wanted to try anyways, and products that it's like, oh, I should probably look into products like this and see if it's something that I want to use. So I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing, and if you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, so I want you guys to make sure that you keep up with my videos because I do want to get back to posting about once a week. That's my goal. So make sure you subscribe so you can get notifications whenever I post new videos. But otherwise, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.